Here they go. Wow, Chris Hilton give him a smash. Jonathan's still in motion though. 66. Can he get rolling? Good crack. They're pretty beat up this class. They ain't moving a lot. We got a couple fluid cars. The other ones are just not moving so good. Good poke on 85. Here comes 66 around the first match. Oh, good one. Goes Jonathan in pretty good. Nice one. Nobody did yet. They're all still moving. Still got a couple moving. Someone's got the rev limiters on. Jonathan's still rolling. Chris Hilton's still going.
Yeah, no, I don't think so.
Now, they're going to get lined up and hit one another as hard as they can? Sure they are. That was a nice hit of left put on to Hank FM. Missed me. Come on, get to it, guys. Finish them off. You may as well use your front end. You got nothing left there. That's it. They got the Urson beat up pretty bad. I don't even know how that 85 is still moving. Looks like a hatchback. That did him some damage.
He hit the ground running. Oh God, no.
They ain't running from one another anyway. They keep trying to line one another up. If you're dead, Jonathan, chuck your hands up and say, I'm dead. Looks like he is. All right, we got looks like 2 on the go. Or 1.5. Good hit. Did that do it?